Hey loves, thanks for tuning in to CYB TV. This is Cherish and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how I do a fill and repair for my polygel nails. And also I will be doing a design, little one love type of Rastafari nails theme. So if you want to see the full process, then definitely keep on watching.
You deserve to be the best you. You deserve it. Yeah. I'm here to make you look great. Feel great, think great, be great. Yeah, I'm here to make you look great. Feel great, think great, be great. Yeah, I'm here to make you look great. Feel great, think great, be great. Yeah, I'm here to make you look great. Feel great, think great.
Alright y'all, so I am going to be starting on these nails that have been on for over like 3 weeks something. You can see the left hand all broken. So I'm going to go ahead and change out my drill because this drill is going to save you time, okay? If you don't have one, you can use a nail file, but for me, this is definitely helping me with time. I like it on a medium speed, and I like to do it, it doesn't matter forward or reverse, whichever one you prefer. But for me, I'm going to be using this drill, y'all, to pretty much file down where the nail begins to grow out. That way I can do the fill. Okay, so yes, let's get this done. Look at this. This hand didn't even budge, but you guys will see later what happened to one. So getting started, I'm just going in circular motions. That's how the best way to use the drill, in my opinion, is just using in circular motions. So I am just grinding down the top coat, which is like a gel top coat, and it won't come off with polish remover. So that's another reason why the drill is the best suitable thing when doing this fill, because it's quicker and you can just get off all of that polish on top. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just going through and just lightly, it looks like I'm being harsh, but I'm not. Lightly I am filing down my nail, so you don't want to go too deep and grind into your nail bed. Okay, so I'm just dusting it off right now, and as you guys can see, it's a little smoother towards where the nail begins to grow out from the cuticle. So now after doing the second hand, we're gonna go into prepping the nail for the fill and the repair. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. Now the base gel is what you would start out with, so I'm going in with the base gel and I'm just adding this to the full nail. The ones that are broke, I'm making sure I seal off the top of where that crack is, or where it broke off at. That way when I go in and do the repair, it sticks properly. Okay, so I went and cured my nails. I do it for 2 minutes, I believe, so 60 seconds each time. And now going in with the base gel for the other side, I'm going to do the same thing, do the base coat, and then cure it for 2 minutes. So pressing the button twice for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so that is an easy prep. But before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and use this rubbing alcohol to take off the tacky layer. The tacky layer is something that it leaves a little stickiness. So now we're going to go into using these forms to go over the nails that have broken off so I can extend it again. So this is just how you apply them. All forms are pretty much the same way. I like to make sure it's directly underneath that little nail that I have left on my natural nail, and then you go in and pretty much just adjust it to whatever shape you want your nails to be. And now I'm just going to be opening up this gel. This is like the last one I have left in the kit. I tell you guys, this kit lasted for a very long time. So it's like a misty little pink color. But I'm going to go ahead and get a generous amount onto my gel brush. And then I like to roll it off onto the nail between the apex and the actual nail form, okay? And then I just dip it into the alcohol. And then I start to, you know, flood it all wherever I need it to go. So I'm pretty much gonna just let you guys watch and see what I do. I try to get up close as much as possible because around the cuticle area is, like, for me, the area that may be a little bit more crucial because you want the nail to not lift. And yeah, so I'm gonna just show you guys how I like to make it nice and flat around that area. But yeah, I'm gonna come and do a little bit more commentary later on, but definitely stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. I know I'm back really soon, but as you guys can see that I added some more gel, and I'm actually going to make this set thicker than the last set. I like my nails pretty thick, but I did them pretty thin the last time. But anyways, I am just adding enough gel just so I can thicken it up. And also, you guys saw how the apex I built up thick first, and then I focused more towards the tip. And I'm just cleaning around that cuticle area. And I'm just going to go ahead and focus on doing the length that I want them to be. And as you guys can see right there, how it goes thin and then it goes thicker gradually from the cuticle. That's how you're supposed to do it. But now I'm curing it, and voila, it's done. So we're gonna go ahead and finish the rest of them. So now you guys can see that they're all filled, they're filed down. I went on and drilled them down and shaped them really good. So that hand is finished. I might have to do another video in showing how I use the drill to do the shape, but for now I'm just going to show you guys mainly the fill and repair. So what I'm doing is going and repairing this thumbnail that broke off right when I finished the other hand. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, okay? And now all I'm doing is going in to fill the little bit that has grown out on this hand. And I'm making the nails thicker as well. And voila, this hand is done. So you guys can see they're little, you know, wobbly, uneven. So I'm just taking off that tacky layer, and then I'm going to begin to use my drill to shape and file. And like I said, I'll do another video just focusing on like shaping my nails when I do the polygel. So after I'm finished with all that, you guys, I'm just going to use the file just to get really on the edges and corners to make sure they're flat, because the drill is scary sometimes when you're trying to get to the sides. Okay, so you can go on with the file. Voila, they're pretty much all even. They're done, shaped the way I like it. Now I'm going to prep them for the polish. I'm using the polish remover, and you guys, this is a nail I did years ago when I opened up my first salon, and I did a bunch of bomb designs, so I was like, I'm gonna recreate them. So this is one. It's like a raw safari theme, one love I like to call it. So this is the finished hand that I went on and did. So I'm going to show you guys the main design and how I do like the hearts and the colors, okay? So yes, if you guys just like this already and you haven't already subscribed or press like, then go ahead and do that right now, please. So right now I'm just going in with the red. I want them to be different. I'm not doing them all the same. So I'm just going to do a few with the heart. And this is how I'm adding the color. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to get on there, because after putting on the hearts and stuff, it's all going to look blended anyways. So I didn't have a green. I could not find a green, so I'm actually creating the green color, you guys. So I went in and put that teal color, and then I have the yellow, and this yellow is actually going to also be used to create the green. As you can see, I'm just putting it over that teal, so it creates the green color. But obviously, if you can find a green, then you can just use that. And I'm just going to go in and do like a double coat on some of the colors. And that's what it looks like so far. I'm going to go in and paint the other nails that I didn't do with the red. Okay, so once I'm finished with that, I'm going to use this little dryer, $3 dryer I got from the store, just to speed up the drying process, because you want it to be pretty dried for this design. So what you're going to do is grab some regular tape. I don't care, Scotch, whatever tape you can get that's, you know, removable easily. Don't use duct tape, because it's going to take the whole polish off. But you're going to fold it in half. And remember when we used to do that in school, like cut little designs and hearts or butterflies? So you're just going to cut out a little heart. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using these small scissors because it's actually easier. And then I'm just using the tweezers to take it out. And you guys can barely see it right now, but this is the heart design. You want to keep the actual cutout and the actual heart, the little tiny heart that I pulled off. You want to keep both. So after that, after cutting out my heart designs, I'm just going to go ahead and put them where I want them on the nail. I chose to put one on this one. And now you're going to grab the black, and you're just going to fill in that heart area. So it's like color blocking, you know. Then you're going to peel that off once you feel like it's dried enough, and voila, you have your heart. So cute, so easy. So the little cutout heart I kept, I'm going to put that on whatever nail I want it to do. And then I'm going to press that down lightly, you guys, because you want to be able to peel it off. And then I'm just going to put the black and do like a box type of square design. So once I take off that heart, it's like color blocked out. So I really like how that turned out. So that's what I went on and did, you guys. And now I'm just adding a little jewel, little gold heart. And I'm using the glue to really seal it, and I'm going to add one to the other fingernail as well. And yeah, you guys, this design is pretty cool, pretty fun. Here's the finished look. I really like how these nails came out, and I'm telling you guys, I got so many compliments for them. But I don't know, I just love colors too. So I'm just gonna clean up the sides with the polish remover before I actually do the top coat, because once you do the top coat, y'all, that's not coming off, and if it seeps on the sides, it's gonna be harder to take off that polish. So once I put the top coat and cured it, voila, they're shiny, they're glistening, they're pretty. I love these nails. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already, like, share, and thanks for watching.